Hello and welcome to Spectrum Sphere, the channel where we dive into a myriad of topics and uncover the wonders of our diverse world. Today, we're guiding you through the exciting journey of writing and publishing your very first ebook. So whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, grab your notes and let's turn your ideas into a published reality. Moving on, let's define what an ebook is. An ebook, or electronic book, is a digital version of a traditional print book. It offers numerous benefits. It's instantly accessible, portable, and often more affordable for consumers. For authors, ebooks mean a wider distribution network, reduced publishing costs, and greater royalty percentages. Ebooks have surged in popularity, presenting a remarkable market potential. The digital landscape allows for instant access to a global audience. And with the rising use of tablets and e-readers, more people are turning to ebooks every day. As an author in this digital age, the opportunity to reach millions is at your fingertips. Before you dive into writing your ebook, it's critical to identify who you're writing for. Ask yourself, who will find value in this content? Pinpointing your target audience will not only guide your writing style and content, but also ensure that your marketing efforts are directed towards the right readers. Diving into the heart of your ebook starts with research. Take the time to dig deep into your topic. Use a mix of reputable sources, from books to academic journals, to gain a comprehensive understanding. This thorough research will not only bolster your credibility, but also enrich your content, giving your readers real value. Now that you've planned your content, let's talk about tools and software for ebook creation. From word processors like Microsoft Word to specialized software such as Scrivener, select tools that suit your workflow. For layout and formatting, consider Adobe InDesign or Vellum. Look for software with features that support interactive content or multimedia if that's something you want to include in your ebook. Moving on, it's time to structure your ebook. Start by outlining each chapter, focusing on a logical progression of ideas. Think about introductory chapters, the main body, and a conclusion. This will serve as a blueprint, keeping your content organized and ensuring you cover all the necessary points thoroughly. Crafting compelling content is essential. Hook your readers with an engaging introduction, use relatable anecdotes, and maintain a conversational tone. Be clear and concise, eliminating fluff. Vary sentence length to keep things interesting, and don't shy away from using bullet points to break up text. Always focus on providing value. Now let's consider a vital element of your ebook, the title. Your title is the first thing potential readers will see, so it must be powerful and attention-grabbing. It's your hook in the vast sea of digital content, so make it memorable, benefit-driven, and evocative of the reader's curiosity. Moving on, let's discuss your ebook's first impression, the cover design. A professional and appealing cover can significantly influence a reader's decision to engage with your work. You have two main paths. Design it yourself using graphic software or outsource to a proficient designer. Remember, the cover reflects your book's quality. Excellent design isn't just about the cover. Now let's focus on the page layout and design within your ebook. Consistency in fonts, headings, and spacing creates a comfortable reading experience. Use white space effectively to avoid a cluttered look, and incorporate images that complement your text without distracting from it. Once your first draft is ready, it's crucial to enter the editing phase with a keen eye. Editing is about refining your ideas in prose, while proofreading focuses on correcting grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Consider reading your content aloud or using software tools to spot errors you might overlook. After polishing your draft, it's time to gather feedback. Reach out to a small group of trusted beta readers who represent your target audience. Their insights can be invaluable as they'll experience your book as readers, not writers. Take their constructive criticism seriously. Use it to enhance your ebook before finalizing your manuscript. Now let's navigate the realm of ebook formats. There are several, but the main ones include .epub, which is widely accepted and flexible, .mobi, primarily for Amazon Kindle, and .pdf, known for preserving layouts. Each format caters to different reading devices, so choosing the right one is a strategic step. After editing your manuscript, it's time to convert it into an ebook format. Using conversion tools, you can easily turn your document into an .epub or .mobi file, which are the most compatible formats for e-readers. For more control over layout and design, professional software can also be utilized for this process. Now let's talk about digital rights management, or DRM. This is how you control the copying and sharing of your ebook. While DRM can protect your work from piracy, it may also restrict your readers' usage and potentially limit your audience. Consider your goals and your audience's needs when deciding on DRM. Setting the right price is crucial in balancing affordability for readers with fair compensation for your hard work. Analyze your target audience's pricing tolerance and compare your ebook with similar titles in the genre. Remember, pricing can always be adjusted later based on sales performance and readers' feedback. Next, let's navigate the sea of self-publishing platforms. Each has its unique features, from Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, which dominates the market, to Smashwords, known for distributing to multiple retailers. Consider exclusivity, royalty rates, and the reach of each platform to find the right match for your ebook's success. Now that your ebook is polished and formatted, it's time to upload it. We'll walk through the process step by step. Start by logging into your chosen publishing platform. Go to the dashboard and select Upload New Title. Then you'll add your manuscript and cover art files. Make sure to preview your ebook thoroughly before the final submission. Creating a compelling ebook description is crucial. This is what hooks potential readers. Start with a strong headline, then move into a concise summary that highlights what makes your book unique. Include key benefits and, if applicable, some positive reviews. This description is your sales pitch, so make it count. Now, let's dive into keywords and SEO. Selecting the right keywords is vital for ebook visibility on online platforms. Think from your audience's perspective. What terms would they search to find content like yours? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify effective keywords and integrate them seamlessly into your ebook's title, description, and metadata to enhance discoverability. Setting up pre-orders can build anticipation for your ebook. Most platforms, like Amazon KDP, offer an easy way to enable pre-orders before your official launch date. This strategy not only generates early interest, but also allows you to start climbing the rankings, making your ebook more visible upon release. Now, let's dive into building your author platform and social media presence. It's critical for marketing your ebook and establishing a connection with readers. Start by creating profiles on major platforms and share valuable content related to your book's theme. Engage with your audience and grow your follower base organically. Moving on to marketing strategies and promotional tools. Having a solid marketing plan can greatly enhance your ebook's success. Utilize social media ads, email campaigns, and book promotion websites to reach a wider audience. Offer limited-time deals or free chapters to spark interest and generate buzz around your new ebook. Now, let's focus on leveraging book reviews and ratings. Reviews are crucial for building credibility and trust. Encourage readers to leave feedback by including a polite request at the end of your ebook. Remember, even mixed reviews can provide valuable insights and show that you have an engaged readership. Next, we delve into the power of email marketing for promoting your ebook. A well-crafted email campaign can significantly boost your book's visibility. Start by building an email list of interested readers and provide them with engaging content, exclusive insights, and special offers to encourage ebook purchases. As we move forward, let's focus on amplifying your reach through advertising and paid promotions. Investing in targeted ads on platforms like Amazon, Facebook, or Google can help attract new readers. Tailor your ad campaigns to align with your audience interests and monitor the performance to optimize for the best results. Cross-promotion and networking with fellow authors can be a game changer for your ebook's visibility. Collaborate with peers to share each other's work with your respective audiences. This can be done through social media shoutouts, newsletter swaps, or even co-authoring content. It's a win-win that broadens your readership and builds valuable connections. As your ebook gains traction, consider expanding your reach through additional revenue streams. Turning your ebook into an audiobook can capture the growing market of listeners who prefer audio content. Additionally, translating your ebook into other languages can open up international markets and exponentially increase your audience. Once your ebook is out in the world, it's crucial to measure its success. Keep track of sales, reviews, and reader engagement. Use this data to understand your audience better and to refine your marketing strategies. Then start planning your next steps, whether that's a sequel or a new project altogether. As we near the end, let's quickly recap the journey of writing and publishing your ebook. We've covered finding your niche, writing compelling content, designing your cover, formatting your book, choosing a publishing platform, setting the right price, marketing effectively, and leveraging feedback. Remember, each step is crucial to your ebook's success. That's all for today's guide on writing and publishing your first ebook. Thank you for tuning in to Spectrum Sphere. We hope you're ready to take the literary world by storm. Remember to engage with us by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon. Share this journey with fellow future authors and keep exploring with us every week.